let's talk about the 5 S's. The 5 S's were created to remind parents of ways to help soothe a very upset baby. While it is perfectly normal for babies to cry and fuss and, ask for attention, it can be very difficult to soothe a very, very, very upset baby. So the 5 S's are ways to do that. The first S in the 5 S's stands for Swaddle, which helps to imitate the snug, warm coziness of the womb and increases their calmness, and it helps to minimize startle reflexes. Here's a quick overview of how to swaddle your baby. First, you're going to take a muslin or a very thin wrapping blanket and open it up all the way out and try to fold it back into some sort of triangle. I had to move my baby out of the way. But then you're going to lay it down with the longest side, the closed side, up at the top. The next important step is to take baby and make sure that you line their edge of their shoulders up with the top of the blanket. This is to help make this type of swaddling safe with no risk of blankets in their face. Then you're going to wrap it nice and snug from one shoulder to the other and use baby's body weight to wrap it around their body and hold them down. At the back here, we have a lot of loose cloths. We're going to roll that up snug and tight so it's not in their face. Take the other side and wrap it back around nice and tight. Wrap it around using baby's body weight. And this part is a little tail. You can either tuck it in at the bottom or the top, whatever feels safest and easiest to you. But there you go. There's your swaddled baby. Our second S is to put baby on their side or in a stomach position. Holding your baby on a side or stomach position can help your baby feel safe and held more tightly and comfortable, which will help their bodies relax. The third S is Shushing. Using Shushing as a form of soothing helps remind baby of the loud and wave-like sounds in the womb. The fourth S is swinging or rocking. We have to remember that babies just came from inside our bodies where they were shushed and rocked and cuddled and swaddled 24/7. So swinging your baby helps to remind them of the soothing motion of being inside your belly. I also like to add patting their butt into that as well. The fifth and final S is to suck. Whether you do a pacifier out here or a bottle, or if you're breastfeeding, holding them to the breast, you combine all 5. Swaddle them on their side, we shush them, shh, 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 shh. Swing or bounce them, shh, 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 while they suck.